To get rid of stretch mark, guys, you're going to be needing toothpaste. Now toothpaste is a natural, is a very friendly remedy that works wonders on the skin. It helps so much to get rid of breakout, it removes pimples, and it also helps to increase the skin elasticity. Using it for stretch marks would help to evenly clear up the stretch marks and to glow up the skin. Then you're going to be needing castor oil. Now using castor oil alongside with the other natural ingredients would work wonders on the skin, and it will also help to glow up the skin. It helps to increase the skin texture, increases the vitamin E on the skin, and also it also increases the elasticity of the skin, therefore helping your skin glow. Okay, and then you're going to be putting in a little bit of baking soda, which is bicarbonate of soda. Now baking soda is a natural exfoliant. It helps to exfoliate dead skin cells. It also would work wonders. Combining it with other natural ingredients would make it work really fine in removing stretch marks. Now, among other ingredients, we'll be needing vitamin E capsule, because this, as the name denotes, vitamin E, it helps to create a glow on the skin. It gives the skin the vitamin E it deserves, and it also prevents the skin from breaking out, therefore removing stretch marks. It helps to get rid of wrinkles, and it would create a glow on the skin. Now to mix this up, guys, you're gonna be needing to press in your toothpaste, just the quantity that you think is gonna be okay for your stretch mark. So you're gonna put in about half teaspoon of castor oil, enough to go around your skin. Okay, and 1 teaspoon of baking soda is gonna be okay. So you're gonna be cutting in 1 to 2 capsules of vitamin E. So you're gonna be pressing that into it. And now you're going to stir. Okay, so you stir all of these 4 great ingredients together to give you a great mix. Okay, alright, so here is how it's going to be like. Now for this, guys, you can store it for as long as you want because it's not going to go bad. Okay, so you can continually use this to scrub out your stretch marks. So how you're going to do that, guys, you're going to take this and then you're going to apply it on the place you have stretch mark, most times on your upper breast, sometimes on your buttocks, your thigh, your hands, and all of those places. And then you give it a, you just massage it into the skin. Try as much as to apply a little force on that place so it can go into your skin, okay? Because on that place where you have that stretch marks, you tend to develop a very thick skin on that place, so you have to scrub it very well so that it can actually go in very well, okay? Just like that. Now this treatment is actually very thick, and it's going to take a while before it goes into the skin, okay? So you apply a generous amount and scrub on that part. So what you do is that you have to scrub this about 30 minutes to 1 hour before you want to take your bath, okay? I hope you do understand. 30 minutes to 1 hour before you go to take your bath. That's if you want to take your bath in 1 hour, then you have to rub this, scrub it into your skin where you have the stretch marks, and you wait for 30 minutes to 1 hour. And this is going to be so cooling. It's just going to get into your skin. Now the thing is that stretch mark is one thing that doesn't just go off on the skin like that, like in a twinkle of an eye. But when you use this treatment, in no time your stretch mark is going to be gone, like seriously, because it's going to get deep into your skin and it's going to develop a very fresh skin, you know, to cover up those places where your skin has been torn, okay? So that's basically what it's going to do. And for this, you can keep it and use it for another 2 weeks. When it finishes, you make another one. Like in another 3 months or 2, your stretch mark will begin to, you know, go off and your skin would be perfect. And for those people who are using a very hot cream or lightening cream, if you notice that that cream is actually the one breaking up the stretch mark, you have to first of all discontinue it, okay? Then you use this treatment, it's going to work.